What if I tell you that you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour before the end of 2026, even before the 8,000 watch hour rules comes in? Yes, in this video I am going to show you 4 strategies in how you can go about getting your 4,000 watch hour ASAP, because now you have to double the hustle, but then you have to do it the smart way. Yes, a lot of YouTubers have been running now because this is the height of it. They are going to quit after struggling for years to get 4,000 watch hour, and this 8,000, some persons already have doubt. So let's go into the video. Now you can actually start getting your 4,000 watch hour starting from now that you are watching me. Number 1, you have to use inspiration. Yes, go to your Chrome browser or your MI browser, and then you type in your YouTube Studio desktop version, click on it, and then you see the interface. Then you click to go to studio. For my channel, as soon as I come into my channel, what I will see is the whole of my interface of my channel, and after that I will click up there, and then you are going to see the inspiration. Click on the inspiration. What they are going to tell you is spark your next great idea. This particular aspect is about to give you ideas on what you can be posting on your channel. Okay, now once I click on it, varieties of topics are going to come out. If whatever I am seeing does not suit me, all I have to do is to click on the box there. For me, I wrote content creator growth. You can see it there. So once you do that, there is digital resilience already there, niche, mystery, and so on. It's already giving you data concerning the kind of things you have been posting on your channel. This is just giving you an insight to what you need to post next. Okay, so for me now, I like talking about content growth, so I will click on content growth, and then I explore the idea. Now various ideas are showing up. Now there is one here: why your small channel stocks why others explode during live stream in 2026. The truth about Nigerian creators scaling globally from a local home office, how to turn your daily work routine into high retention video. Stop ignoring this one setting that kills your channel, discover this year. So for me now, I feel like this one is actually a nice topic. I clicked on it, then it's going to open ideas. This one, this inspiration, you don't even have to stress yourself so much because everything here is there. All you have to do is click on it. Once you click to know more about that particular topic, they will even tell you why this could actually fit your channel. They say maximizing reach for live replays, closing the information gap, unique angle of external distribution. So it goes on and on. Then what you have to do is either you save the idea or you develop idea. So they already even put develop idea. So what I have to do is click on develop idea. Now you see that it says stop ignoring this one setting. So many things are here. The hook is already here. We are sabotaging our reach by leaving the allow embedding box unchecked, effectively locking our content inside a. So there are so many things here. The hooks are here. There is hooks, there is outline, there is thumbnail idea, there is title, there is even related videos on YouTube. So all you have to do is individually click to show more. If you want to know more about what kind of hook you need to use, all you have to do is click on it. The hooks are going to come out. You know you need the first 30 seconds of your video. You need it. Now this one said the fear of missing out, the controversial kind of hook, and the direct benefit of hook. So in all this, using your inspiration on your YouTube Studio app can actually give you an idea on what you do. Now the second part is when you come to same of your YouTube Studio desktop version, you will see an arc. That arc is very, very important as a YouTuber. It's more like that AI stuff. So once you go to the right side of your page, you are going to see it up there. Click on that arc. Once you click on the arc, it's going to welcome you to Ask Studio. Ask the studio is going to say, hello Igupozi Joan, how can I help you? Now you go down, you scroll down, you are going to see a box. You are going to tell them what you want. For me, I wrote, what can I start posting for my channel to get to its desired target audience? Because I have tried all and I am still stuck with low views. Now once you click on the search, and then it's going to go. Before you know it, ideas are going to come. They are going to start telling you things. So this one said it has reviewed my channel. He said it's completely understandable. Now what he tried to tell me is that double down on your expert niche. He wants me to go back to be expert in my niche. So what you have to do, you go through it. It even gave me ideas, things to leverage on, topic idea, and so many on. So as a YouTuber, you need to make use of this app. Use your YouTube Studio app. Anything you want is on the YouTube Studio app. You don't have to pay for anybody for watch time and all that. All you have to leverage on is do things by yourself. YouTube is even making everything easier. You see your YouTube Studio app, make sure you are trying to make use of it. Very, very important, because now the hustle is free. This is your best time to get opportunity. Now, the third thing you need to focus on is your chapters. On each of your video, anytime you are uploading your video, I know sometimes if you go to the YouTube setting, they're going to ask you automatic chapters. Sometimes the automatic chapters does not actually tally with what you actually want. Okay, so you tell them manually you want to be doing it yourself. Anytime you upload your video, you need to add your own timestamp by yourself. Yes, at each point of your video, maybe on number 1, number 2, number 3, you put it there. There is benefit for that. Yes, especially when people are watching your video and they are tired, they want to skip past the introduction aspect, the hook aspect, they want to get the information straight up. Instead of them to click out, they are going to just click on your video to see the description and see, okay, what is your point. They will click on each of them. In any of your bullet points that is okay for them, they will click to hear what you have to say pertaining to what you are saying in the video. So as a YouTuber, you want to make sure that you are adding chapters, you are adding timestamp. It will even help you on the browse features. Yes, somebody might be searching for a problem on. We all know that Google and YouTube are like brothers and sisters. So if somebody is anything, if people are not searching on Google, they always come to YouTube. Yes, so if they're on Google, sometimes you see videos relating YouTube video to it. So if your topic is searchable, people are going to click. It's going to be there. So when they search your topic idea, even if it's timestamp, it will relate them to that particular place in your video. So you want to utilize your timestamp very, very much. Okay, another aspect of you to get your 4,000 watch hour before the 8,000 is your playlist. As a YouTuber, you need to start creating playlists. Yes, playlist is going to help you to get your watch time. Yes, as a YouTuber, you need to be creating playlists. If you have videos now is the time to go and get them hooked in one particular place, so that people will come on your channel anytime. Instead of them to be clicking out after they are done watch one of your video, you need to let them remain on your channel. Yes, they need to go, they need not to leave. So once you put all your video in an organized particular playlist, before you know it, you are going to get people to watch your video. And always tell your audience and your subscribers to actually watch your videos, watch your playlist, and you know, you'll be lucky, you'll be amazed. Now the last part is also the arc features. The arc feature is when you are on your normal YouTube Studio app. Yes, where you are watching me, the view, where you are watching your videos now currently. Any video you see on the home feed, as you are scrolling, and you feel like, this topic is actually nice, you like to recreate this video, all you have to do is click on the video. Now let's say for me, now I came on this person's channel, Creative Blessings channel. Now below it, you are going to see image, you see join, you see this, you see like, then you are going to see this arc. This is what you want to make use of. Click on the arc. Once you click on the arc, everything will come out. Summarize the video, recommend related content, how to increase YouTube video, why are my views low, list the recommended upload. For me, I want the video to be summarized. So what I will do is I will click on summarizing the video, and all the thing about what she said was broken down for me. Now what they said is, these videos serve as a guide for small creators struggling with low views on YouTube. The creator creative. So there are so many things you need to work on. So if you are looking out to get your channel monetized, you need to utilize using these features I just mentioned. This strategy works so much. Start elevating on your channel. If you're a small content creator, start doing what you have to do, because YouTube is not for the wicked. People are coming in, and you want your channel to be at the top, so that you want people to stay and you want people to watch. Sound like you know what you're saying. Okay. Thank you all for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.